Welcome back, Rusty Tool lovers. I have something kind of special today. It's what I believe to be a DiamAlloy Lineman pliers. These were given to me by my grandson Luke, who knows that Grandpa likes rusty, crusty tools. So we're going to let the young man himself do the honors of starting the wire brush cleanup and see if we can figure out if there's a maker's mark on this thing. His dad and Grandpa are supervising this operation. Now what you do is you hold it up and don't get your gloves. In fact, I'm thinking maybe you might be better off without the gloves.
Yeah, I think so too.
Just don't get your hand, wait a minute, don't get your hand near the wheel, okay? We're recording right now, so I can take the sound out.
Like that?
So like that. Yeah, boy. Get all over the whole area there.
Oh yeah, I can see it working.
No, over up here. Don't want your hands too close to this thing. Try to get up in here a little more. I don't see anything. Okay, work at it a little bit more. Too low now. Okay, Luke, I think that's good. I still can't make out a maker's mark, so maybe a soak in evaporest will help. I looked at this thing with the digital microscope looking for a maker's mark, and it looks like to me it says DiamAlloy. So that's what I'm going with. You can see how terribly pitted this thing is. I don't think I'm going to be able to say what maker's mark there is there. It's really only visible under a microscope anyway. Okay, so here we go. Things are about to get real now. I'm going to have to go medieval to try to get rid of the pitting. Now for a little work with the fiber wheel. Onto the belt sander. Now I'm going to do some detail work with the rotary tool. And a little bit more work with the fiber wheel. At this point I decided to try the fine conditioning belt. Now for some polishing. This thing is not going to have a mirror polish on it. It's just going to be kinda, sorta shiny. Sorry about the fan noise, guys. It's hot in here. And finally, let's have a coat of wax. If I were going to keep this thing, I'd probably blue it at this point, but I think the new owner would prefer that it be shiny instead of blued. So there you have it, the DiamAlloy Lineman's pliers, all shined up. I hope you liked the video, and please comment and subscribe to the channel if you're so inclined. I read and respond to all comments. So until next time, thanks for watching.